In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize columns in Wix. This is a simple but really useful skill when you're designing your website, because the width of your columns affects how your content looks and how easy it is to read. Maybe you want more space for text, or a bigger image, or you just want your layout to feel more balanced. Resizing your columns lets you fine-tune that layout without having to rebuild the whole section. First, make sure you're inside the Wix editor with your website open. On your page, look for the section that actually contains the columns you want to adjust. This might be a strip, a section with multiple content blocks, or any area where you can clearly see content divided vertically into two or more parts. Click once on that section to select it. When it's selected, you'll see it highlighted in the editor, and you should notice some indication of how many columns are there. Depending on your layout, you might see faint vertical dividing lines or labels that make it clear where one column ends and the next begins. Next, move your mouse slowly toward the vertical border between two columns. Don't click yet, just hover over that dividing line. As you get close, you'll see your cursor change. Instead of the usual arrow, it should turn into a resize icon, typically with arrows pointing left and right. That change is your signal that Wix recognizes you're on the column boundary and is ready to let you adjust it. Once the cursor changes, click and hold your mouse button down on that border. Now, drag it gently to the left or to the right. As you drag, you'll see the columns update in real time. One column will get wider while the other gets narrower. This makes it easy to visually judge when the layout feels right for your content. Try to keep an eye on how your text, images, or buttons are wrapping as you move the line. If text starts to look cramped, give that column a bit more room. If an image feels too dominant, narrow that column slightly. When you're happy with the balance, simply release the mouse button to set the new column widths. That's really all there is to it. Once you've adjusted your columns, you can repeat the process for any other column section on your site to keep your design consistent and polished.